Ever wondered what Australia looks like from above? Join us on a breathtaking drone tour of Australia's must-see tourist spots. From vibrant coral reefs to iconic landmarks, we'll experience the beauty of this diverse country like never before. Presented in stunning 16:9 aspect ratio, this journey will transport you to the heart of Australia, showcasing its natural wonders and bustling cities. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and splendor of this incredible continent. Our journey begins with the world-famous Great Barrier Reef, a vibrant underwater paradise teeming with life. From a bird's-eye view, we see the intricate network of coral reefs, a kaleidoscope of colors stretching for over 1,400 miles. Imagine the countless marine creatures that call this place home, from graceful manta rays to schools of brightly colored fish. This underwater metropolis is a delicate ecosystem, a testament to the power of nature. As we soar above, we gain a new perspective on the vastness and fragility of this natural wonder. Look closely, and you might spot a green turtle, its shell glinting in the sunlight as it surfaces for air. But the Great Barrier Reef faces challenges. Climate change poses a significant threat, causing coral bleaching and disrupting the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and preserve this natural treasure for generations to come. The Great Barrier Reef is a reminder that we are all part of something larger than ourselves, a delicate web of life that deserves our care and attention. Next, we soar over the iconic Sydney Opera House, a masterpiece of modern architecture that has become synonymous with Australia's vibrant cultural scene. Its distinctive sail-like design, a symphony of curves and angles, seems to rise organically from the harbour. Imagine the countless performances that have graced its stages: operas, ballets, concerts, and theatrical productions. As we circle the Opera House, we see the bustling harbour below, ferries crisscrossing the water. The city skyline stretches out in the distance, a testament to Australia's economic and cultural dynamism. The Sydney Opera House is a symbol of Australia's coming of age, a nation confident in its place on the world stage. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together to share in the transformative power of art. The Sydney Opera House stands as a beacon of creativity, a reminder that art has the power to unite and uplift us all. Now we venture into the heart of Australia, where the vast Outback stretches out before us, a tapestry of reds, oranges, and browns. Here, in this ancient landscape, we find Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, a sacred monolith that stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature. Imagine the countless sunrises and sunsets that have painted this rock with vibrant hues. For thousands of years, the Anangu people, the traditional owners of Uluru, have revered this monolith as a sacred site. As we circle Uluru, we begin to grasp its immense scale. It rises over 1,100 feet from the surrounding plain, its sheer size a humbling reminder of our place in the vastness of the universe. Uluru is a place of pilgrimage, a place to connect with the ancient rhythms of the earth. It's a reminder that there are forces at work in the universe far greater than ourselves. Let's honor the Anangu people and their deep connection to this land, and let's strive to be responsible stewards of this precious planet. We now journey along the southeastern coast of Australia, where the rugged coastline meets the Southern Ocean in a dramatic display of nature's raw power. Here, carved into the cliffs, lies the Great Ocean Road, one of the world's most scenic drives. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, the wind in your hair, as you navigate the winding road, each bend revealing a new vista more breathtaking than the last. As our drone glides along the coastline, we see the 12 Apostles, towering limestone formations that stand as sentinels against the relentless pounding of the waves. These natural sculptures, eroded over millennia, are a testament to the power of the ocean and the passage of time. But the Great Ocean Road is more than just a scenic drive. Built by returned soldiers between 1919 and 1932, the road stands as a tribute to their sacrifice and a symbol of hope and resilience. The Great Ocean Road is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can overcome great challenges and create something truly extraordinary. Let's cherish this iconic road and the stories it tells. and let's continue to find inspiration in its beauty and its history. Finally, we arrive at Bondi Beach, a place where the urban energy of Sydney meets the laid-back vibe of beach culture. Here, the golden sands stretch for over half a mile, kissed by the turquoise waters of the Pacific Ocean. Imagine yourself strolling along the beach, the warm sand between your toes, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, a soothing melody. Bondi Beach is a place to relax, to soak up the sun, and to embrace the Australian lifestyle. As our drone captures the scene from above, we see surfers riding the waves, their bodies moving in perfect harmony with the ocean's rhythm. Families and friends gather on the sand, their laughter carried by the sea breeze. Bondi Beach is a microcosm of Australian society, a place where people from all walks of life come together to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. It's a place where the stresses of city life melt away, replaced by the warmth of the sun and the sound of the waves. Let's cherish the memories we've made on this journey and carry with us a renewed appreciation for the beauty and wonder of our planet. Thanks for joining us on this aerial adventure. We've soared above coral reefs, marveled at architectural wonders, and felt the pulse of Australia's vibrant cities. From the Outback's rugged beauty to the coastal charm of Bondi Beach, Australia has left an indelible mark on our hearts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tours from around the world.